This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda Pilot. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, front side impact airbags, a rear window defroster, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.